Deepali Verma and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do this makeup look right here, and I have done this makeup with using only L'Oreal products. So let's start this makeup tutorial. And before I start this video, I should tell you that if you like this video, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get my next video easily on time. And also you can follow me on Instagram, Deepali Verma Makeup Artist. You can get updates of my life. So let's start this video now. Okay guys, so I have already moisturized and prepped my skin, and now I'm gonna take this foundation by L'Oreal Infallible. So it stays for 24 hours. It's a long lasting foundation. I'm taking this much amount of it, and then I'm gonna blend it on my face just using this beauty blender. And then I'm gonna conceal my under eyes and over eyes with using the same foundation. Now I'm gonna set my face with using this compact powder, L'Oreal Matte Magic compact powder. Now I'm gonna use this contour kit by L'Oreal Infallible, and I'm gonna use this one shade matte brown. And next I am taking this L'Oreal gel eyeliner in the shade number 05 blue. And then for highlighting my features, I'm going to use this highlighter by L'Oreal Lumi Illuminator. lips, I have two shades in L'Oreal. Number one is R517 Raspberry Syrup, and another one is RW513 Black Cherry. So I'm gonna use this one today. Black Cherry. I don't have L'Oreal mascara, so I'm using another brand's mascara. So this is my final look, and now I can also contour and highlight my collarbone, as I'm gonna do right here. So again, I'm using this contour. Okay, so firstly I'm doing contouring and then I'm applying highlighter. Now my look is complete, and I did this look only using L'Oreal makeup products. So if you guys thought that this video was helpful, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So I will see you guys next time in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.